Yeah, you! Yeah, you!
Me? Yes. You got a YouTube channel? Considering making one? Yes.
Join us on Saturday, January 25th at 2 p.m. Library on 95th in Hudson. You will learn channel branding, viewership building, and quality video making, and video editing tips. Be there. Be there. On time.
Hello everyone. I first and foremost want to give a special shout out to our amazing visionaries who did that commercial that went before me. Like, they are absolutely amazing. But that goes to show that our young people can do some of anything that they put their minds to. And speaking of that, I want to give you some extra tidbits about this upcoming interactive workshop. The purpose behind this workshop is to create a safe environment and a supportive community for our young aspiring vloggers. Now, before we instantly assume that YouTube is merely a hobby and going nowhere, I want you to realize that of the top 3 earners on YouTube to date, 2 of those 3 are under the age of 10. So it goes to show you that literally the possibilities are unlimited. So let's support our young vloggers and get them the information that they need to be as successful as they possibly can. I look forward to seeing you on Saturday, January 25th at 2 o'clock at the Woodson Regional Library, which is located 9525 South Halsted.